we are aware that the NDC majority itself has disrespected or disregarded Mr. Speaker's orders. In fact, on the day, one of his consequential orders was to the effect that the selection committee must meet immediately and reconstitute the appointment committee. The NDC majority caucus decided to proceed with the vetting without any due regard. Well, on our part, we believe that though we disagree with Mr. Speaker, out of deference to him, we must still engage him. And we would engage him. In fact, we started this engagement over the weekend. The majority leader and my good self had extensive discussions. He elected to reach out to Mr. Speaker and get back to me. I tried to reach out to Mr. Speaker. I wasn't successful. Throughout the weekend, the majority leader and I were in touch, and the feedback from him was that he hadn't been successful in getting to Speaker. Today is Monday. We believe that Mr. Speaker will be in the office. We believe that we'll be able to see him and take our discussions further. Meanwhile, as a responsible caucus, we are going to ferry our concerns in a memo to his office. And we believe that that would even form the basis for the discussion. We don't know how to treat Mr. Speaker's communication, whether it's a ruling or communication properly so-called, because there is a provision in the orders where if there is a motion or a matter comes to the fore, Mr. Speaker would rule on the matter. And if there's a ruling, then you would have to rely on the rules to also challenge his ruling by filing a motion. That's what the rule says. But this is similar to the matter of Dr. Atuforsen on the vacant seats, where he relied on our orders to say it was raising a matter of national interest. I'm sure you may recall that when the matter went to the Supreme Court and all, Mr. Speaker said, oh, he only delivered a communication. He shared an opinion with us. So we are also careful in how to approach it. We want to be sure exactly what Mr. Speaker meant. But in substance, he's taking actions that have affected the rights of our colleagues in Parliament. And we believe that the right thing to do is to grant these affected members hearing.